Get crazy. I'm gonna go crazy with these staples. It'll be fine, dude. We're just literally gonna have this covered in the next hour, you know? Greg, remember when I got one stuck in your leg, though? Was it your calf? You're such a badass. All right, Greg, I'm gonna lay out this top, and we gotta hit a rib right on the edge of this roof because we're 33 foot from that end. So I'm gonna go, all right, that's perfect there. 3 foot from there. The purpose of the felt is to create a barrier between the felt or the steel and the wood, so when it does condensate, it's not like a direct contact. Like purlins is okay because like we're not like majorly on
ventilation.
Yeah, like this is kind of like a dead space. Now, one thing I always do is I go ahead and punch our roof steel when we're doing roof sheathing. So on the open web, like purlin framing that we do on a normal building, I'm not gonna punch that roof steel because we're sliding it off piles or having to handle it in such a manner that your hand gets scraped on one of those punch holes. Not good. Even when you're wearing gloves, it's a pain. So when we're doing these shorter sheets, these are like 9 foot 5 inches. I can handle them a lot easier and a lot different, so I can go ahead and punch them and get those nice crisp lines. I remember when I was younger, my mom made me Zubaz pants. Do you know what those are?
I think so, but...
They're those pants that crazy colors and like were super baggy MC Hammer style and stuff. Yeah, she'd go get, like, we'd go pick out our own fabrics, and then she'd make us pants, dude. Dude, we thought they were awesome.
Get crazy with it.
Why did I think that was cool?
Oh no, dude.
All right, let's go ahead and check this for square. Get it on your mark. Well, that's pretty much perfect.
Yeah, one time we went shopping for fabric. We were gonna make us pajamas.
Yeah.
She never got around to mine.
Bitter?
I'm not saying I'm mad.
But you were disappointed.
But I was disappointed.
Okay, you're gonna screw or
I
no?
picked out like a cool, like digital camo. I was like, yeah, I'm pretty cool.
Oh, dang it! I didn't lay this out. Sorry, I'm just excited to finally do this.
Rookie mistake.
We need filler strips.
You know what I'm excited for?
Come
on.
That's cool, man.
If you're gonna do filler strips, then you gotta mark both of them. Don't forget.
Wait, you're excited for lunch?
Yeah, I'm hungry, dude.
Do you have worms?
I mean, I was homeschooled.
Private schooled.
Make sure I don't have any like staples on the bottom of it.
You do. Look at that. Look at that.
You having fun?
Okay, good. By the way, these things have been running pretty good, except for that one. I mean, when I say it's not good, it might be a 30-second. Texas is the place I really want. Are you on your mark still?
Yeah.
Oh, Greg's exes.
Live in Tennessee.
So when laying out this this project, this roof on the porch was a big deal to make everything else work, and we had to change up the way we would have normally done it so that the ribs all lined up from the porch roof to the wall to the roof on the main structure. And the reason it was a challenge was because not everything was divisible by exactly 9 inches. And why is this not coming down? But it was important, I think, because we had to make sure that our gable trims on the ends of the porch, the upper roof, the trims that go up and around the edges of the roof on the rake wall, they all had to go over a rib or at least be in a spot that didn't have a rib going up the middle of the trim where it wouldn't work. So I think it's gonna work out pretty good though. I think we got everything, actually. I think the only thing I'm still a little bit is the overhead door. But since it's under the porch, I don't think it's gonna matter.
I don't think so. I think we should be all right.
Yeah.
We already talked that through and it's gonna be all right.
Yeah. But anyway.
I just don't think a rib is gonna be center of the door or something like that.
Yeah, we didn't really have an option, did we? But this roof is running perfect, nice and straight, square to the building. And whenever you do that, you take the time to set that up, it does make all of this go a lot quicker. Dang, that is so clean, Greg. So clean.
I don't know, have you seen some of my work?
I've seen a lot of it. It's
Pretty clean, huh?
not horrible. Let's just say it's better than the average. Agree or disagree? Let me just get in a position to help you, Greg. Okay, get that right side up. A little higher right there. Okay, 1 second. Yep, good to go, man. I need you to come left. Come left. Keep coming, keep coming. Okay, go in. Yeah. Looks good, man. So we're gonna go, I guess, 4 3/4. I'm gonna stay 7/8 down. I haven't got it cut, but it is easy.
I hope it's a good cut.
Yours?
Yeah.
There's nothing more disheartening than like working up to this point.
That's got a lot of numbers and a lot of ups and arounds and downs and backs and forths. You can leave a little shot, right? That way our J will slide and cap that. That's what I'll do. It'll look better.
You know, you don't make horrible job site decisions, but like if you said that's what I would do in my life, that's when I probably.
My life decisions are okay.
Subpar.
So far, I made it this far.
Hey. I get so many calls, dude. It's not even funny. Hey, man.
First of all, I just want to say you do really good work. Before you hang up on me, like I want to know, can you build a building in California?
All right, man. Let's do this. It's probably gonna take all hands.
So I think the best way, like imagining this, the best way would be to lean it out far that way, and kind of come in this way and kind of.
Yeah. Well, usually we just curl up this corner. We just curl it up. We don't have anything to scratch up there. We usually just curl it up. So we come in like this, and we just curl that out, like twist that out, and then go like that.
Yeah, we can try it.
The only thing is, we can do it either way, but we need a lift over here if that's the case.
Right.
See what I'm saying?
I thought there was gonna be a lift here. That's why I thought. But
Hey.
that's pretty close.
You make subpar job site decisions. You guys, just let me know if you see me going for that top rung of the ladder, okay? I know it's not something I'm supposed to do. So this bottom, Zach, yeah, get that tip in. Yep, and then just keep that bottom out. Okay, wait. We got to go a long ways.
That's what I'm saying. That's why we got to start with that corner.
Oh, we can do it. Look how far away we are. We gotta keep coming.
Well, we got.
Yeah, he just has to keep his.
You can't be in the J, Zach. You'll have to get it in later. Because we got to be down this far.
Yeah, he just has to pull his out. Just keep pulling it out. Oh, maybe you got to go this way far a little, Greg. Yeah, Zach, your end's gonna go to the left a little bit. Just don't scratch it on the wall. We got about 3 inches, 2 inches.
Try to bring. You can bring it out.
Okay, I gotta go about another 1/2 inch. Okay.
Okay, now you need guide.
Now?
Guide.
Now, Zach, go start going up. Okay, now wait. Okay. Wait. I think Zach needs to lean it just a little bit more. Can we go up more?
I think the problem is you're hitting.
What are we catching on though?
You're bending on your trim, the one you're trying to get into.
Here?
Yeah.
No, I'm not hitting anything yet. Can we go up yet?
We gotta roll it. We gotta start because I'm up all the way.
That ain't gonna work.
This needs to get closer to the wall.
I know, but I can't get it there.
Now he's got to try to get that in there. So that's where we need the lift.
Yeah, but that ain't gonna even help, man.
We need the lift to go up top.
I got a better idea, my guys. I got a lot better idea. Take it out. Don't worry. Just hold it right there. Give me a sheet. Take off that piece of trim.
Oh yeah, we don't need that up there yet. We just needed to mark it.
Yeah, we just needed it for the marks. So this is by far the hardest piece on this building, and it's not easy. And I just said that because I said it was the hardest. But what's the trick, Greg?
What's the trick?
Yeah.
It's not scratch anything.
Yeah, that is the trick.
That's the trick.
And that's tough. That's really tough. Okay, you ready, Zach? Now we're easy. Get it against the wall. You just go against the wall.
Communications.
There.
Oh,
wait, we gotta get into the.
Yeah, so we can drop it down and get it in.
Oh man, you're so close. Middle. Far.
Down low, Kyle.
Yep. Hey.
Why are we so tight?
Why are we so tight?
Where are we hitting?
Right here maybe.
It was probably like a 16th off.
First we gotta get in here. Zach, you're kicking this out. Keep coming. Okay. Go ahead. Up. Okay, we don't have to worry about scratching that. We don't have the trim. And okay, Zach, take it in. Go up.
There we go.
Is that better? Just keep it kind of close because then we'll kind of roll it up to the line and it won't be scratched. And that should do it, my dude. I'm standing on the top rung, man. I'm doing a dirty deed. Well, today, guys, we got back. We were down in Texas for that LP job, which maybe you've seen it. Maybe I put some videos up on the YouTube channel. I'm sure I did. And we came back to a winter storm warning in effect that it was supposed to dump maybe, they're maybe calling, like I think they downsized it. They were saying up to 10 to 12 inches. Now I think it's like 6 to 8 inches. We tried wrapping up as much as we could so that when that snow does drop, we don't have too much of an issue. So we got all the porch roof steel on. I mean, I think the big thing was getting this end wall closed up here and then also getting the steel up on the roof so we don't have any issues there. So didn't do a ton of video recording. So we'll get back here the next time. I think, well, today's Friday, probably be back Monday. And I'll kind of take you through some of that stuff, show you some of the details on the porch roof. And yeah, hopefully we get close to wrapping this exterior up so we can get an insulator in here to get some wall insulation. We start hanging that ceiling. Make sure you stick around. We're gonna do a black interior on the ceiling and the wainscot and a galvanized wall. It's gonna be pretty killer. How's that staple box doing?
Not so good.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
That's horrible,
What
man.
happened when you dropped it off the roof?
Well, why'd you drop it?
I didn't do it. It wasn't me.
Wait, are you blaming me?
I'm not saying it wasn't you, but I'll say it was you.